Section 1. The Billionaire Playbook. Decoding Success. We all want success. We dream of reaching our full potential. Many look up to billionaires for inspiration. What are their secrets? How did they achieve so much? While every journey is unique, there are common threads. Billionaires often share similar habits and mindsets. Let's unlock these secrets and see how we can apply them to our own lives. And as we get started, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Section 2. Habits of the Wealthy. It's more than money. When we think of billionaires, we often focus on their immense wealth, but there's so much more to their success. Beyond passion and resilience, billionaires often cultivate specific habits that set them apart from the rest. They are voracious learners, always seeking knowledge and improvement. This constant quest for learning keeps them ahead in their fields. They surround themselves with mentors and teams who share their vision, providing invaluable support and guidance. Billionaires are also masters of time management, prioritizing tasks and maximizing productivity. They know how to make every minute count, but it's not all about work. They understand the importance of balance in their lives. Many billionaires prioritize their well-being, ensuring they are in the best shape to tackle challenges. They understand that physical and mental health are crucial for peak performance, and they invest time in maintaining both. They make time for exercise, mindfulness, and spending time with loved ones, recognizing that these activities contribute to their overall success and happiness. Section 3. Onpassive, your partner in the journey to success. Now, you might be thinking, these habits are great, but I need tools and resources to implement them effectively in my daily routine. That's where Onpassive comes in. It's not just a platform, it's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to support your growth. Onpassive is an innovative platform designed to empower individuals and businesses to achieve their full potential. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or part of a large corporation, Onpassive has something for everyone. Onpassive leverages the power of artificial intelligence and digital marketing to automate and optimize your online presence. This means you can focus more on your core activities, while Onpassive handles the technical aspects. It provides you with the tools and strategies to build a successful online business, even if you're starting from scratch. From AI-driven marketing campaigns to advanced analytics, Onpassive equips you with everything you need to succeed in the digital world. Section 4. Tools for Triumph. How Onpassive empowers you. Onpassive offers a suite of cutting-edge tools, including website and funnel builders, email marketing automation, and social media management. These tools are designed to simplify your workflow and maximize your reach. With Onpassive, you can build a strong online brand, attract your target audience, and generate leads effortlessly. The platform's AI-powered algorithms analyze data and provide insights to help you make informed decisions and optimize your marketing campaigns. Section 5. The time is now. Seize your future with Onpassive. It's more than just a platform. It's a movement towards a brighter, more innovative future. The world is rapidly changing, and the future belongs to those who embrace technology and innovation. With Onpassive, you can be at the forefront of this transformation. Onpassive provides you with the opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and thrive in the digital age. Our tools and resources are designed to help you succeed. Don't let this chance slip away. Take control of your future and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. Joining the Onpassive community gives you access to a supportive network of like-minded individuals, all striving for success. Together, we can achieve more. You'll receive training, resources, and ongoing support to help you every step of the way. With Onpassive, your journey to success is a shared experience. Section 6. Unlock your potential. Take the first step today. The journey to success starts with a single step. Are you ready to unlock your potential and achieve your dreams? Explore Onpassive today and discover how it can empower you to create the life you've always wanted. For more information, visit the Onpassive website in the description below or contact a representative to learn more. Your future awaits. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day and successful business.